Many people have to measure their blood pressure themselves on a regular basis. There are a number of rules that should be observed to ensure that your measurements are accurate, which we will show you in this tutorial. Every blood pressure monitor has to meet certain measurement accuracy requirements. Furthermore, several of our products have been awarded quality seals by internationally recognized organizations, such as German Hypertension Society and the European Society of Hypertension, for their exceptional reliability. When you purchase an upper arm blood pressure monitor, check that the cuff is the right size for you. Therefore, you should measure your upper arm circumference beforehand. Our cuffs are marked with an index range, so that you can very easily check yourself how well the cuff fits. Just one single measurement is not conclusive. Therefore, you should take measurements regularly and always ensure that the conditions are comparable. In the 30 minutes leading up to the planned measurement, you should avoid vigorous physical activity or exertion. Also, make sure that you are completely relaxed during the 5 minutes before taking the measurement, so that your circulatory system is sufficiently at rest. Devices that feature our innovative patented resting indicator will show you after the measurement whether your body has reached this state. It is generally possible to measure your blood pressure on both arms. Unless otherwise prescribed by your GP, we recommend always taking the measurement from the left arm. When taking the measurement, sit up straight and place your legs side by side on the floor. Remove everything from your upper arm before placing the cuff. Place the cuff approximately 2 to 3 centimeters above the crook of your arm, and make sure that it isn't too loose or too tight. It should be tight enough that you can only fit your index and middle finger inside. Adjust the cuff so that the line is resting centrally in the crook of your arm and pointing towards the palm of your hand. It is best not to talk or move when taking the measurement. All Beurer blood pressure monitors have a risk indicator, which helps you to interpret the measured values. Our devices can also identify heart rhythm disorders when the measurement is being taken, and if identified, will bring this to your attention with a symbol on the display at the end of the measurement. If you are taking several measurements at once, make sure to take a break of 1 minute between them. Always consult your GP on your measured values and follow their instructions. Our networked blood pressure monitors are connected to the Beurer Health Manager via a Bluetooth or USB interface, which assists you with documenting your measurements. Would you like to find out more about the topic of blood pressure? Then visit us at www.beurer-blutdruck.de.